Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Camp Springs, local and long-distance movers near me. You are all ready to take a leap forward into a new stage of life. But along with relocating, you also need to bring all your belongings with you to your new place. That means to pack all your things into boxes and worry about their safety on the long trip. That's where you need the professional help that will save you the efforts of doing everything on your own. A professional moving company will perform all moving-related activities while allowing you time to focus on other tasks. Our movers will pack your belongings, carefully load them into the trucks, and deliver things right at your doorstep of your new place. Whether you're moving to another state, country, or internationally, our movers will ensure the safe delivery of your belongings. We also have a compensation policy in our company in case you receive any damaged goods. Even if you're choosing to stay local, you still can't escape the challenging task of packing and moving. So instead of coping with moving issues on your own, get our movers to pack and unpack for you in just a few hours. 3 Movers works with every customer, including properties owners, students, veterans, tenants, and entrepreneurs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Camp Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.